Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogging Desi. I'm Abhilasha and today I'm going to share with you some quick remedies for the cold and cough in babies or kids. So these remedies I used to use for Anay, and one of the remedy I got to know from one of my neighbor, and it is really very nice remedy. So let's see what are the remedies. So the first remedy is the magic mustard oil. For this I'm just taking 4 spoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add 1 spoon of chopped garlic, half spoon of methi or fenugreek seeds, and half spoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Here I am making this oil in a very small quantity because I already have this oil. I've just made it 2 days before. You can make it in bulk and you can store it. Once the winter season starts, you can just prepare this oil and just make sure to make it little warm every time before applying it on baby's feet, chest, back, and also cover them with a blanket to get the warmth. Now the second remedy is the homemade Vicks. So generally it is not recommended to apply Vicks, the regular Vicks which comes in the market, on babies. So here I am showing you a quick remedy for babies Vicks which we can make at home. For this I have just taken 1 spoon of ghee and I have added 4 to 5 pieces of camphor or kapoor once the ghee was little hot. Again, I am making it in a very small quantity. You can make it in bulk and store it. Once the fumes start coming, just cover it and put it in the container once it is on room temperature. It's very safe for newborns also, as it is made with the natural ingredients, and you can prepare this and keep it, store it for all throughout the winter season. And cow ghee is anyways used for baby massages, so you can definitely use this and let the baby sleep after applying this in a very cozy blanket to get the warmth. So the third remedy is a very quick remedy, which is ajwain potli, in which we just have to roast some carom seeds in a hot pan until it turns brown. And once it is in brown in color, we just have to put it in one hanky or a kitchen towel, and then we just have to do a good shake to the babies. It should not be very hot, it should be just good, bearable for the babies. Always check the temperature before putting it on baby's chest or feet or back, and this will definitely help them to get this cough and cold cured. So these are the very quick and effective remedies for cough and cold. Please do try these if your kid is having cold or cough, and do let me know your views in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified for new upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching Vlogging Desi. Keep watching.